Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the map color scheme in the Waze app in 2026. If you want to change how your Waze map looks, you can customize the map color scheme and choose a style that's easier for you to see, just by following these few simple steps. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store, so make sure to download it if you want a more easy and practical driving experience. It makes your driving much easier. Now, let's go back to our topic and learn how to change the map color and scheme in the Waze app. The first thing you want to do is to open the Waze app, and then you're going to tap the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now you're going to click on the setting. After that, you're going to scroll all the way down and tap the map display. It's the second option. And after that, you're going to scroll and tap the map display, and this section contains several options for customizing the appearance of your map. Now, we're going to look for the color scheme. Now, let's scroll all the way down until we see if there is a color scheme. Now, if there aren't, we're going to make sure to click on the map type. Now, here, we're going to select the option Map Editor. And once you click on the map type, you're going to click on Map Editors. Here, we're going to tap and see the available options, and depending on your Waze version, you may see different colors, themes, and options for day and night navigation. You can also change the color of the map by clicking on the settings again and click on the map display. Just click on here, click on the map display, and then you can turn it on and off, turn the dark mode on and off again. You can choose the color scheme you prefer, and if you want a brighter appearance, select the day style key scheme. For darker conditions, choose the night style scheme. Some versions may also offer an automatic option. And that's how you change the map color scheme in the Waze app in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.